The engine thermostat acts as the ultimate traffic cop for your car's cooling system. It sits directly between the hot engine block and the cooling radiator. When you first start your vehicle on a cold morning, the heavy metal engine needs to warm up quickly to run efficiently and get good gas mileage. During this warm-up phase, the thermostat stays completely closed. It traps the cold antifreeze inside the engine block, allowing the internal moving parts to absorb heat and reach their optimal operating temperature. If this valve opened too soon, your car would constantly run cold. The mechanical magic happens inside a small brass cylinder on the thermostat, which is filled with a specialized, temperature-sensitive wax. As the trapped coolant surrounding the thermostat hits about 190 degrees Fahrenheit, this internal wax begins to melt and violently expand. This expanding wax physically pushes against a solid metal pin, forcing the heavy, spring-loaded valve to crack open. Once the valve opens, the searing hot coolant rushes out of the engine block and flows directly into the radiator, where outside air rapidly cools it down. The thermostat constantly opens and closes as you drive down the highway, balancing the flow of coolant to keep the engine at the perfect temperature. If this cheap valve gets stuck closed, your engine will violently overheat and permanently warp the metal block in a matter of minutes. If the valve gets stuck open instead, the engine will never reach its proper running temperature. This forces the engine computer to dump too much raw gas into the cylinders, causing terrible fuel economy and leaving you freezing with no hot air blowing from your cabin heater.